Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how you can download Harry Potter Hogwarts Legacy on your PC. So first, what you can do is to check system requirements to ensure that your PC meets the minimum system requirements for the game. You can find the official system requirements on the game's website or the platform from which you intend to purchase. Next is to choose a platform. So Harry Potter Hogwarts Legacy is available on various PC gaming platforms such as Steam, Epic Games Store, and Origin. So decide which platform you want to use for the game and create an account if you don't have one yet. Next one is to purchase the game. So once you have chosen a platform, go to their website or their desktop app to search for Harry Potter Hogwarts Legacy. Then purchase the game through the platform store. Then just follow the instructions for the payment processes. Next is to download and install the game. So after purchasing the game, you should be able to download it from the platform's library or purchase history. So click on the download button and the launch will start downloading and installing on your PC. Next one is to launch the game. So once the installation is complete, launch the game from the platform's library or desktop app. If necessary, you may need to log in with your platform account or any relevant game-specific account. Next one is to update the game. So if it is required, sometimes there might be day 1 updates or patches for the game. So allow the game to update if prompted to ensure you have the latest version. And then lastly, you can now start playing. So once everything is set up and the game is updated, you can start playing Harry Potter Hogwarts Legacy on your PC. So remember that you can always pause this video or go back to the video and follow the processes or the step at your own pace. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.